we got up to here, I started falling asleep.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, I just woke up. Next thing you know, I just started seeing the pole. I tried my best to just swerve out. It was already too late. Did a
Were you
couple
looking?
flips.
You said that you were looking for your phone.
No, I was already falling asleep on it. Yeah, I'm saying, it's like this was my only day off.
Yeah.
It's like I just let the tire get the best of me.
So what was this place that you were at again?
Matisse in Long Branch.
She said she only closed her eyes for a second, but that second turned into chaos. A drunk driver flipped her car 3 times, hit a pole, and slammed into a school fence. It started with a 911 call just after midnight. Witnesses reported a vehicle spinning out of control near a neighborhood school. When officers arrived, they found this: metal twisted, glass shattered, airbags deployed. Inside, a young woman, confused, trembling, and clearly under the influence, tries to make sense of what happened. She tells officers she fell asleep. Her speech slurred, her balance uneven. The body cam captures every moment: her confusion, her denial, and her slow realization of the danger she caused.
That vehicle's going to be out of the roadway. Everybody's out of the vehicle.
Yeah, no, it's just me.
Driver's okay. That pole is going to be completely cracked. It's sitting on the wires. It's not in the roadway yet.
Like I told her, I couldn't tell because I had my
They
glasses
did dispatch
on.
EMS and fire on the initial call. Do you need them to respond out or no?
Do you need EMS? We're going to have them come.
Yeah, just.
Yeah, you can start EMS for precautionary. 1011 New Jersey Reg. New Jersey uniform 39 Victor Delta Mike. So what happened?
Okay, so me and my sister had went on to Matisse in Long Branch, and then me and her started arguing. Like I could show you the messages. Then too busy. Me and her kept arguing at the club. I stayed longer.
Okay.
But you feel me? It's like a 30-minute drive, and like I was telling the dispatcher, I work overnights. I work from 10 to 6.
Yeah. You work at...
Yeah, and this was my only day off. So sad to say, like, you feel me? Like the
So you work at that restaurant that you're...
No, I work at Target.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like I work right here. So I was just tired,
All right.
So next thing you know, like, I started falling asleep over the wheel, like, over and over again.
I called for it, but they didn't answer. If you want to try it again.
And I just kept ignoring it,
Yeah.
Next thing you know,
your first name is Viviana.
Yeah, so the next thing you know, it's like, we got up to here, I started falling asleep.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, I just woke up. Next thing you know, I just started seeing the pole. I tried my best to just swerve out. It was already too late.
Were you looking? You said that you were looking for your phone.
No, I was already falling asleep on it. Yeah, I'm saying, it's like this was my only day off.
Yeah.
It's like I just let the tire get the best of me.
So what was this place that you were at again?
Matisse in Long Branch.
Field sobriety tests confirm what the officers already suspected. The smell of alcohol is strong. Nearby, an open bottle lies under the driver's seat. Her blood alcohol level over twice the legal limit. Miraculously, no one was in the school at the time, but this crash could have been far worse. As she's placed under arrest, her tone shifts, from defensive to tearful. She says, "I didn't mean to. I was just tired." But tired wasn't the cause. Intoxication was. At the hospital, tests confirmed extreme intoxication. The crash destroyed her vehicle and damaged school property. But she walked away with minor injuries, something few do after flipping 3 times.
What is that? Is that like a restaurant?
It's like a Latin bistro, like restaurant, but like at night it's like a little like club.
Okay. Viviana, did you have anything to drink tonight?
I had maybe like 2 drinks beforehand, but like, cause it's like I had a family party beforehand, but
What kind of drinks did you have?
I just had like White Claws.
White.
Yeah, but that was around like 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What flavor are the White Claws?
Lime.
Lime.
Yeah.
Okay. And you said you had 3?
Yeah. That's
3.
right.
Okay. All right.
Like I said, I started falling asleep. Next thing you know, I woke up, started seeing the...
She now faces charges for reckless driving and DUI, her license suspended, her freedom limited to probation and court-mandated programs. Every time someone says, "I'm fine to drive," stories like this prove otherwise. 1 second of sleep behind the wheel can cost a life.
Yeah.
Alright. So, Leon, you want to come over here for me real quick?
Yeah, it's just me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Do you have any medical conditions that affect your eyes?
No. I mean, I had my glasses. When I did the flip, my glasses broke because I found them, but it only had one. Yeah.
Okay. And you're not wearing any contacts at all?
No, I can't wear them because of my stigmatism.
Okay.
Yeah.
John, can I use your flashlight? Mine's all messed up. Alright, I'm just gonna do a couple tests just to check you out, okay?
281 to 10-9.
3121, you're on location 323.
1011 poll number.
Go ahead with that.
Bravo Tango 2622.
323.
And like I was telling the dispatcher, I work overnights. I work from 10 to 6.
You work
And this was my only day off. So sad to say, like, you feel me, like the
So
tired.
you work at that restaurant that you...
No, I work at Target.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know, so it's like I work.
Stay aware, stay alive, and subscribe for more real-life Bodycam stories that reveal the truth behind the sirens. Subscribe for more real stories caught on Bodycam. Comment below. Should penalties for drunk driving be harsher?